Together we will rise to the toughest of the challenges. We will brave the winds and the rain. We will not bend, nor crack, nor break. Our hearts and minds will work as I love it! Maganda, maganda. May dulas yung lyrics, saka yung melody. May kurot sa puso, ha? Ganda, di ba? Okay, that will be our company jingle from now on, ha? You finalize that by the end of the day, Vince, ha? Yes, sir. Good work, good work.
Bakit ganon? Parang walang rhyme. Eh, di ba dapat ang kanta may rhyme?
Hindi naman kailangan ng rhyme.
Ano kaya yung kanta walang rhyme?
I agree. Doesn't make sense kung walang rhyme. And I think it will sound better kung instead of we will brave the winds and the rain, gawin natin mo typhoon. After all, we are in the Philippines.
In fact, alam mo, mas accurate kung sasabihin mo, tropical depressions ahead.
Tropical depression. Poetic ba yun?
O saan malungkot, no? Maganda yung depression.
At saka bakit naman merong bed, crack, and break? Para namang marupok.
We will not bend, nor crack, nor break. Nga eh, not listening.
Dapat naman mas bagay yung lyrics.
Bakit? Eh, nagustuhan naman ni Boss Rick yung lyrics ko, ah.
Tanggos na kaya yun. Lagyan mo ng, ooh, yeah, oh no, break it down.
Break it down, break it down. Boris ba yung break it down?
Eh, baka tumapayin pala yung pag naayo. Oh no, break it down.
You try this. Shing-a-ling-a-ling-ding-dong. Shing-a-ling-a-ling, our company is strong.
And don't forget, tropical depressions, ha? Highlight ng song mo yan.
Oo, lagyan mo rin ng baby. Lahat ng kanta ni April Boy at ni Rico J. Sumikat dahil sa baby.
We will ride to yeah, yeah. We will break the wind and the tropical depressions of life, baby. Ring-a-ling-a-ling, ding-dong. This company is strong. We will never go wrong. Oh yeah, baby. Break that. Ano ba? Ano nangyari sa kanta pag tinago mo? Kasi rin naman, ganda-ganda na nung pinarinig sa akin kanina. Ano ba? Kasi ang daming ideas na wala akong pakialam kung anong proseso ng pagsulat ng musika. Basta yung resulta maganda, yun ang importante. You're wasting my time.
Sabi ko kasi, dami yun, oh yeah, nag-depression sa
Sarap! Kasi nakialam pa kayo, ang ganda-ganda na anong ginawa ko kanina eh. Puro naman sablay mga opinion nyo eh.
Oh my, that's why I never know.
Parang lang naman.